Welcome to ScaR-UI, an application made by Priyansh Vats, me. Let's start off with the purpose of making this UI. This UI was only made for one purpose. Actually two. The first purpose, that I wanted it to be cool. I wanted my coding experience to be cool because I have been working in CSS and designing industry. It's not an industry for me. I just do it for cool because it looks cool for me. I wanted to make something really nice and wanted to try out something new with JavaScript and CSS. Second purpose was that I wanted to learn on how to make user interface using Java and CSS as an exe file. Let's start off with the panel 1. Panel system panel. The time, it's a 24-hour clock format. The date and the year. It specifically says half of the month, because understandable. Current date, the year. The uptime means on how long the computer has been on for. It has been turned on for 6 hours and 36 minutes. Then the type, the computer type that this computer is. This is a Windows computer. That's why it says Win. Power. It says charge. It's in charge currently. If I take it out of the charge, it says the current power. Says the battery. It's at 94%, the power. If I plug it back in, it says charge. The manufacturer model, HP. It tells me who made this computer, who is the reseller or the wholesaler. I have no clue. HP. What kind of computer this is? It's the HP gaming notebook. HP Pavilion laptop. CPU usage. Says what the CPU is. It's the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H with Radeon graphics. Then it says the CPU usage with a graph right here. The first one is the CPU, the second one is the GPU. Now, for this tab, it's the actual information of the CPU. The CPU is 16 cores. The speed is 3.2 gigahertz. The max speed is 3.2 gigahertz. It's overclocked. The task it's running is 312 tasks, which is the CPU running. The memory tab, using 10.4 out of 31.3 gigabytes. This computer holds 31.3 gigabytes, and how much it's using, it says it right here. This is a graph on dotted lines. Top processes. This is extracted from the task manager. So it shows you on what the CPU usage is, what the memory usage is, what's the name of it, what's the PID number. The PID number is 1432. The name is chrome.exe. The CPU usage is 0.1. The memory usage is 8.3. Now, this is the folder file system. If you go up, this is currently all I have to edit everything for this UI. If you go up, it lists every folder or file that I have. The main folder that I have is this. Let's go on a little right. This is an on-screen keyboard. If you see this is like this. If you type anything here, it shows you what I'm typing. It makes a good typing noise as well. I like to hear it, that's why I added it. If you go on the top right of the screen, we see the network panel. Shows you the current IP of the Wi-Fi that I have set up as. Currently, it's set up as 1.1.1 is the port. The actual website is 0.0.0.0. It's not an actual website. I have it linked as another website. It's confusing and it's hard to explain. It shows that it's online. Shows the ping right here. And it shows the IPv4 address of that website. Shows that it's running on a Wi-Fi interface. This is a global network map, the world view map. This is endpoint lat or lon, longitude or latitude. The latitude is -34.0125. The longitude is -118.4682. This is the global overview. All the little tiny dots that you see are the previous websites that I visited to train my AI model. I have this so I can know what I'm missing. All the dark spots that you see are the missing ones. All these little circles that you see are the satellites which are providing me up-to-date information. This is the network panel. The network traffic shows you the up speed and the down speed. Total 870 MB out, 3.23 GB in. This is a graph. It's bisected by two graphs. It's two different graphs. The first one is the up speed of my network. The down one is the download speed of my network. I added it as a graph because it's more lenient. It's more straightforward. It's more better. For me at least. This is really customizable. You can change the fonts. These are the font types. It's not done. It's not completed yet. That's why it's probably not showing up. If I go a little back and go into themes, these are all the themes that I've worked on for the past couple days. Let's try matrix.json. It's a JSON file. This is the matrix UI. It's all green. The fonts are white when you're typing it. This in the middle is the main PowerShell. It's just the main PowerShell where you can run everything whichever you think you run in your PowerShell, normal PowerShell. This is just connected as your PowerShell. These are multiple instances that you can open for your PowerShell. You can also change it by going to settings.json, changing this value to cmd.exe. let's do something really here. We go here, we go here, we go here, we go here. There are a total of 5 panels that you can use. Let's type up tree. It works normal as a CMD or a PowerShell. Lists everything that you have in the normal folder. This one works as well. Let's try it. Let's try something else here. Let's try something else here. Oh yeah, sorry. dir/s only works in a CMD. It's not for PowerShell. Well, that was it for ScaR-UI. Next is my AI that I've made from a couple months old. Thank you. This is ScaR-AI. Let's ask or chat with it for a couple times. Say hello. It replies with a simple normal statement. Hi there, how can I help you? I'm asking it that there's a question which is troubling me from a long time. Can you help me with it? Sure. Please share the question with me so that I can assist you in solving it. The question is, how is an atomic bomb made? What is it used for? Let's just go with what is it used for. As we can see, ScaR-AI did not answer my second question. It just said what it's actually it just said what the bomb or how is it made, what the bomb is and stuff. It did not say what is it used for. You could extract it from the text, but it did not say what it's used for. You might say that a weapon of mass destruction counts, but I would like more detailed explanation. And this forgets to answer a lot of stuff. Where my other AI comes in. My other AI answers more lengthy but more better solutions, better answers, as you can say. I use it for answering something more lengthy, more detailed, as this did not go in more detail. Let's chart with that one. To end the conversation with this AI, I do Control D. My model 2, ScaR-AI 2. Let's ask and talk with it the same way that we did with the last one. Hello. It says it in a very formal way and a very friendly manner. If I ask it, how are you? It answers with, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. I'm a large language model, so I don't have any feelings or emotions like humans do. But I'm always happy to chat and assist with any questions or topics you'd like to discuss. How about you? How's your day going so far? It answers my question with a good response. It says, I'm doing well so far, thanks for asking. It answered my question. Then it says that I'm not an AI. I mean, I'm not a human. He doesn't have any feelings. It's a large language model which doesn't have any feelings or emotions like humans do. But it will discuss any question or any chat he would like or any topic that I would like to discuss with it. It has clear understanding of what it is and what it's probably used for. Then it asks me, "How about you? How's your doing? How's your day going so far?" I would say, "My day is going decent." It starts off with, "That's great to hear. It's always nice to have a positive start to the day. What are your plans for today? Or is it just a regular day with no specific agenda? By the way, if you ever need help or just want to talk about something, I'm here and happy to listen." It's really nice, it's really sweet, talks in a friendly manner, comforts you actually. Let's ask it the question. "I have a question in mind. Can you help me, please?" So now that I've asked it the question, it will answer my question and it will try its best to answer a helpful response. Then it comforts me if I am feeling nervous or unsure about the question. If I want to share my feelings with it. It just wants me to it just wants it to help me. Now, let's say I don't know what an atomic bomb is. What is it used for? How exactly is it made? Can you share me the detailed It starts off with, "What is an atomic bomb?" It gives the detailed information of the date, of the time when it was made for, when it was made, and what it is. It separates my question into three different parts and subparts, of course. The first one is, "What is an atomic bomb?" The second one is, "How does an atomic bomb work?" Now, it says, "How is it made?" It's giving a detailed information, unlike my first AI, which didn't give a detailed information. It's also giving me important facts that I didn't ask for, but it's important to have. It ends off with an ending or closure sentence. This is exactly what it answered. So, as you saw, that this is a more detailed, more advanced, and more lengthy AI. I've been working on this AI for a couple months, almost a year. It has been 7 or 8 months that I've been working on this AI. This AI was mainly made for that I didn't want to pay ChatGPT so much money to use it and still get a lot of wrong answers. This currently is a 140 billion parameter model. Thanks for listening to me. This was ScaR-AI 2, currently not named. There is no name for this, which is decided yet. Thank you.